ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। धातूनां तुमन् अन्त रूपाणि अन्ते अवर्गस्य मकारादि धातूनां रूपाणि दृष्टवन्तः। इदानीम् अन्तस्थवर्णानाम् अन्तस्थादि धातूनाम् अन्तस्थवर्णादि धातूनां रूपाणि पश्यामः। अन्तस्थः इत्युक्ते किम्? अन्तस्थः
at the end.
अन्ते तिष्ठति अन्तस्थः सेमी ववल्स्
Oh.
मध्ये तिष्ठति ते न तु स्वरः न तु व्यञ्जनानि in between the three semi vowel. Okay, so dhatus beginning with semi vowels up to dhatus beginning with pavarga letters we saw. Last letter makaradi. Now we will see antastha, not in the middle. Middle also is there ante, in between or end. But antasthaha iti semi vowels. Bhavatu yaj plus tumun. Anit धातुः अनिट् धातोः किं रूपं? तुमन् रूपं, तुमनन्तरूपं। यष्टुं वेरी गुड। भ्रश्च भ्रश्च जल्ली परे चकारस्य शकारादेशः उत्तमपि कृत्वा यष्टुम् इति रूपम्। अनिट् वात् इतगमनः भवति। यन्त्र चुरादिगणे वर्तते। यन्त्र प्लस ई निच् यन्त्री यन्त्रे यन्त्रयितुं। यस् यन्त्रयितुं नियन्त्रयितुं नियन्त्र यन्त्र यत् यतते यतेते यतन्ते सेट् यतितुं। या टु गो याति आकारान्त यातुम् एव अनिट् धातुः। Yach. Say it.
Yachitum.
याचितुम्
Yachitum. Yuj. Anit.
Yojay. Yoktum.
Yogtum. Kuttum kurtva yogtum. Anit. Yuddha. Tadapi anit.
Yodhum. Yodhum.
Yodhum. Raksh. Dhatuhu. Say it.
Rakshitum.
Rakshitum. Rach.
Rachitum.
Dashama. Churadigana.
Oh, Rachayitum. Rachayitum.
Rachana. Rachayitum. Rab. Apurvaka prayena ang upasarga bhavati. Anit.
Rabtum. Arabtum.
Arabdhum. Katam bhavati arab. Arab plus tumun. Just tatra datvam bhavati dhum. Anantaram jastvam arabdhum. Ram dhatu anit.
Rantum.
Rantum. अपदान्तमकारस्य जलीपरे अनुस्वारादेश अनुस्वारस्य परस्वर्णः अपि यथा नन्तुं गन्तुं तद्वत् रं रन्तुं भवति. राज. सेट.
Rajitum. Rajitum.
राजितुं. विराजितुं राजितुम् इति रूपम्. रुच्. सेट.
Ruchitum.
रोचितुं. रुद्ध. सेट.
Roditum.
रोदितुं. रुद्ध. महाप्राण. रुद्ध. अनिट.
Rodhum.
रोद्धुं. तत्रापि जष्टुं दत्त्वम् अनन्तरं जष्टुं. रोद्धुं. ऋग् धातुः अनिट्.
Rodhum.
रोडुं.
सोढुम्
ऋग् प्लस् तुम् ओडः डकारादेशः अनन्तरं दत्त्वम् अनन्तरं ष्टुत्वं पूर्वं रो अनन्तरं डकारस्य लोपः. रोडुम् आरोढुम् अवरोढुम् इति रूपाणि ओके भवतु. इदानीं this much is enough for Pumananta. त्वा रूपाणि. तत्र त्वान्त प्रकरण विचारात् पूर्वं यानि मुख्य अङ्गकार्याणि वर्तन्ते धात्वादेशः या रयः तान् सर्वान् दृष्ट्वा अनन्तरम् एकमेकं धातुं नीत्वा तस्य रूपं पश्यामः. किं दृष्टमन्ते? धातु आदेशः दृष्टः किल. आधातुके प्रत्यये परे धातोः स्थाने कः आदेशः इति दृष्टवन्तः. अस् धातोः स्थाने भू आदेशः. भ्रू धातोः वचादेश आधातुक प्रत्यये परे. आधातुक त्वा प्रत्यये परे विशेष धातु आदेशः भवति. केते इति पृच्छेत्. पश्यतु. उदाहरणार्थम् अत्रापि अद् धातुः अद् भक्षणे इति धातुः अस्ति. तत्र दृष्टम् अपूर्वं तकारादि प्रत्यये परे एकनिमिषं. तत्र यदपि धातु प्रत्यये परे केषाञ्चित् धातूनां तत्र दृष्टमेव धातोः यान्तानां.
We've seen.
You have seen तकारादि प्रत्यये परे what will happen? We have seen. It's sarvam. Nash dhatu also we have seen. Nakarasya lopaha bhavati tva pratyaya pare, right? Tena vikalpa lopa rupa dvayam nashtva atava namshtva iti. That rupam we will see. But we have seen all this vishesha. This is pratyaya pare kaishachit dhatu nam adeshaha. We have seen this.
Yes.
So therefore this is not required. This I will do. Okay. अत्र त्वाप्रत्यय विषये त्वाप्रत्ययानां कृते केचित् अतिदेशाः सन्ति ते अतिदेशः ते के अतिदेशः इस् कः अतिदेशः एक्सटेंडिंग दी सर्टेन प्रॉपर्टीज regard to त्वाप्रत्यय उदाहरणार्थं पश्यतु उदाहरणार्थम् अत्र कुट् इति कुटादयः कुटादयः इति अन्तर्गणः वर्तते कुटादयः कुत्र वर्तते इदानीं धातुपाठं पश्यतु कुटादयः कुटादयः इति गणः अस्ति वा नास्ति कुटादयः इति तुदादि गणस्य अन्तर्गणः कुटादयः यथा मुचादयः अपि अन्तर्गणः एव तत् पूर्वं दृष्टं लकार सार्वधातुक लकार रूपसिद्धौ कुटादयः कुत्र अस्ति कुटादयः दृश्यते वा कुट कौटिल्ये इति आरभ्य अत्र पश्यतु 35 धातवः सन्ति 72 द्वासप्तति तम धातोः आरभ्य कति पर्यन्तं कुटादयः
95
तत्र 95 व्रश्चादयः एव न तु कुटादयः कुटादयः वृत्ताः इति वचनमस्ति कुत्र
114 after that atha something is there
तत्र 114
atha kiradayah so till 114
no 35 dhatus are there. Okay, before 72 plus 35 kutadaya 106 kutadayah vrittaha means stops here. 72 to 106. How many dhatus? In between some words are there that you have to negate. Vrishchadaya, udataha, udatetaha, udato, anudatat, those things you have to remove, dismiss. So ete kutadayaha datavah ete. Kati datavah santi? Approximately 35. Pancha, trimshat datavah santi. Both. So what? Rajaji, 71 asti kila. Please read this star mark. 42. Patatu. Can you read?
Ganguda.
Yes. Patita.
Gangudadi Dibyon.
Gangkuta. Not kuda. Gangkuta. Not gu. Ku. Gangkuta divyong ningit. Iti sutram. Okay. Then.
Iti sutrena Ganga Deshat Kuta Dibyascha Parennitah Pratyaya Ningto Bhavantiti Kuta Dharmahatvam Pradarshayati Sutrakara iti.
No. To read like this. Gang kuta divyong ningit. That is okay. That is sutram difficult. Iti sutrena Ganga deshat kuta divyascha pare ang nitaha. The negative. Pratyaha nitaha bhavanti iti kutadaha mahatvam pradashayati sutrakaraha iti. Meaning, kaha arthaha. What is the meaning?
Sutrakara is demonstrating the importance of Kutadi and Tarpana.
Okay, then why? That's good. By saying what?
After Gangadesha.
After Ganga Desha. Gang means gong, that sound, huh?
No. When
Kutadibhyaha also
Kutadi,
Panchami.
after
Gang
Kutadi.
Adeshaha api Panchami. Gang iti Adeshaha kutrachita bhavati. That's it. Not after Ganga Desha. Not after the building you go for food. Okay. Ganga Deshat Panchami. Kutadibhyaha Panchami. Pare Angitaha. Ityukte Angitaha Pratyaha. Pratyaya which is not Nit atava Nit. Ityukte Nit Nit Binne Binnaha Pratyaha. Nit Nit Binne Pratyayau Pare. When followed by a Pratyaya which is not a Nit or a Nit, then Gang we are not interested. We are interested in Kutadi. Gang we will see later. Gang is a dhatu. Okay. Gang comes in the place of something else. That's why it's a dhatu we can take. Then, when followed by a pratyaya other than nit or nit, then what happens? Then that pratyaya which comes other than the nit or nit pratyaya, they are deemed to be nit. Yata sarvadhatukam apit is what?
Nit.
Sarvadhataka apit nit, we know, right? Yes or no? The pratyaya which is sarvadhataka pratyaya is not a pit pratyaya. That will be deemed to be nit. Therefore, angakara doesn't happen. Yes or no? Do we know? We have learned tudadigana, tud plus sha plus tit, tud, ukara, rasva, ekupadayaha, gunaha bhavati va, todati. No. Why? Why? Tud plus sha plus tit. Why not todati? Angakarim kimartam na bhavati?
Apitva.
Apitvat. Paraha sha pratyah asti tud plus sha plus tit. Yadyapi paraha sarvadhatuka pratyah kintu apitvat nitvat. See the difference. Bhu dhatu. Bhu plus sha plus step. What's nam rupam? Huh?
Bhavati.
Bhavati. Tuddha plus sha plus step.
Udat.
Tatra
Bhavati.
tudati. Lik plus sha plus step.
Likhati.
Likati, not lekati. Kru plus krish plus sha plus step. What? Karshati.
Karshati.
Bhu iti ante ikvarnaha shap pratyaya pare sarvadhataka pit pratyapare angakaryam bho plus shab bhava bhavati. तद्वत् उपदा रस्व इक्वर्णः सार्वधातुकपित् प्रत्ययः परः अस्ति तेन अङ्गकार्यं कृत्वा गुणाङ्गकार्यं कर्षति अत्र न भवति यद्यपि परः यः प्रत्ययः परः वर्तते सः सार्वधातुकः तथापि अपित्वात् तत्र पकारः न दृश्यते इत्युक्ते अपित् पित्वं नास्ति अपित् तेन ङित्वं प्रापयति ङित्वं प्राप्नोति ङित्वत् यदा ङित् कित् गित् प्रत्ययः परः भवति तदा तत्र अङ्गकारः न भवति अतः तुदति एव न तु तोदति तद्वत् लिखति एव लेखति इति क्रियापदं नास्ति लिखति एव लेखति अशुद्धं रूपं लेखति इति अशुद्धं रूपं लेखति इति रूपं नास्ति लिखति एव तद्वत् अत्र कुटादयः कुटादयः परः कुटादि कुटादिभ्यः धातुभ्यः परः यः प्रत्ययः वर्तते सः प्रत्ययः यदि ङित् नास्ति अथवा नित् नास्ति तर्हि सः प्रत्ययः ङितः भवन्ति इति ज्ञातव्यः ङित्वत् भवति ङितः तेन अङ्गकार्यस्य निषेधः भवति अतः अत्र पश्यतु उदाहरणार्थं कुट् प्लस त्वा परः कः अस्ति ङित् प्रत्ययः अस्ति वा न नित् तदपि न
So angakaryam bhavati. So angakaryam should happen here.
No. कुटादयः ओके त्वा न त्वा इदानीं तुमुन् ओके कुट धातु मे बी सेट धातु therefore may get something कोटितुं something कुटादयः ङित् नित् प्रत्ययः ङित् भिन्ने प्रत्यये परे तत्र प्रत्ययः ङित्वत् भवति ङित्वात् अङ्गकार्यस्य अङ्गकार्यनिषेधः अथवा कश्चित् कार्यं भवति कञ्चित् कार्यं भवति एतदेव ज्ञातव्यं तत्र ङित्वत् प्रत्ययाः ङित्वत् भवन्ति इति तदेव उक्तम् अस्ति कुटादयः what is that will happen that we will see don't worry now 1 to 1 when followed by a pratyaya other than ङित् or nit then they will be deemed to be ङित् ङित् इत्युक्ते ङित्वात् some certain things may happen angakarya nishedah can happen something else also will happen that is the significance of ordaining ङित्वम् to the pratyaya okay understand so the dhatu kutadigana therefore kutadigana dhatus when followed by this pratyaya pratyayas will be ङित्वत् even though nakara is not there therefore okay Understand? This is atidesha, extending. So, extending the nitvam. Okay. What is the implication if you ask? I'll give one example for that. Like, for example, I will take okay, tuman also is good. Atrich also. Kut plus tum. Okay, what will happen? Kut plus tum. Kut plus tumananta rupam. Vadatu. Kut plus tuman. Yes. Huh? Kut dhatu, sek dhatu.
कोटितुम्
Supposed to be. Angakaryam krutva. Kotitum iti rupam. Tuman nit pratyaya na. Itam nasti. Tatapi tuman natu nit natu nit. Ataha nitvat bhavati. Understand? Pratyaya, it is not a nit pratyaya. Ataha angakaryam bhavati eva. Kintu this pratyaya is not a nit atava nit. Nit 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 pratyaya binne pratyaya pare यः प्रत्ययः वर्तते सः ङित्वत् भवति. Because it is a ङित्, therefore ku will not become ko. Angakaryasya निषेधः भवति. Therefore ko will not come ku. Set dhatu api. Therefore kut plus tumun itum kutitum iti rupam, not kotitum. Understand? That's its significance. Same thing, kut plus trich. Trich purvam drashtam. Trich. Natu kotitr. Kutitr. Kutita, kutitaro, kutitaraha. Not kotitr. Don't do the angakarya because nit pratyaya pare angakaryasya nishedaha bhavati. Tadattameva etat udaharanam maya uktam. Tud plus sha plus tudati natu todati. Understand? This is extending the property of nitvam to the pratyas which are other than nit or nit. Extending the properties of nitvam to the pratyas other than nit or nit. That is why the sutra is given a nit, nanj, negative, other than. Oh, sorry, I'm typing and showing. Okay, you are seeing the screen, right?
No, we are not seeing the typing, Guruji.
Okay, sorry, that's what I'm typing. Kut plus tuman, I'm typing and I'm doing this and you are showing the mother screen. Kut plus tuman, kutitum, kut plus trich, kutitru. What I was telling is, when pratyaya other than nit and nit follows, that will be deemed to be nit. Nitvat, as I told in this example, angakarya, nishedaha bhavati, yata tudati, likati, lakada, rupe drishyate, kila, tadvata atrapi, yada nit pratyaye, binne pratyaye pare. Other than these pratyayas follows, any other pratyaya, that will be deemed to be nit. That is called atidesha, extending the nitvam. Even though ngakara as ita letter is not there, extending nitvam to the pratyaya, atidesha. That's called extension, extending the properties. Nitvat angakaram bhavati vaku, will it become ko? No. Kutitum, kutitru, understand? This is what in this here the sutra itself has said. Pare a anya, anyita means I is connected to this, which is not a nit, not a nit. Angitaha pratyaha nitaha bhavanti. Pratyas will be treated to be nitaha, as though nit pratyas. For only this kutadi antargana, the 35 or whatever 40 dhatus. Understand? So gang iti anyaha api dhatu asti. Okay. that is not required anyway. That also gang iti adeshaha. So gang gatau iti dhatu asti. Okay. So gang gatau sutra pate drasham shakyate. Gang to study. And that gang that dhatu also. And this kutadi gana dhatu also. So gang dhatu, gang to study. One dhatu is there in the dhatu pata. Gang, atmanepadi dhatu. So that gang dhatu as well as this kutadi antarkana dhatu. Gang dhatu is first conjugation. So that dhatu and tudadi antarkana dhatus, these dhatus, so 35 dhatus plus 136, I'm saying approximately. One dhatu, gang dhatu. In kutadi there may be around 40 or 35 to 40 dhatus. You have to count. Tebhyaha para dhatubhyaha paraha angit anit pratyaha ngitaha ngitvat atva ngitaha bhavanti. Now you see. Gang kutadibhyaha, that is Panchami. Gan kutadibhyaha pare, then angitaha means the pratyaya which is not, this is Bhagavachanam of the this angitaha. You need to understand this. What is angitaha is? See, it is nita, then nita. Both together it is written as nita. Singular, like marut shabda. Marut, maruto, marutaha. So nit, nitau, nitaha, bhagavachanam. Not, then you have to add negative condition a. So different from the nit and nit pratyaya. So therefore, bhagavachanam nit pratyaha. Then ngitaha, ngitaha also like marut shabda. Pratipadikam is ngit, ngitau, ngitaha, ngitaha, bhavanti. Okay, understand? So I delete this, not required. Good. This is number 1, Adidesha. Gangkutadibhyaha paraha annitaha pratyaha ngitaha bhavanti. By the Sutra 121. That is a section where you will see Atideshas many. So therefore, then whatever angakaryam will happen. Okay. Tvapratyaya is it's
Tva pratyaya anyway doesn't allow angakarya, so this rule will not make much difference, no, Guruji, for Tva.
really okay, because we have opened this Pandora box. There is one sutra, Nag Tva said. Okay, I will explain that what it is later. Now you tell me Kut plus Tva. Dhatu said Dhatu. What is the Rupam, you think? You tell me.
Kutitva.
Kotitva.
Kutitva, Guruji, Kutitva.
Because it is Kutitum, Kutitra, right? Therefore, here also it must be
Kutitva.
naturally, right? That's your question, right? Kutitva. Dhatu is said Dhatu. Dhatu is said Dhatu. So, therefore, we have 1 minute. Na Tva said. That sutram, just recalling. Na? Said. Tva pratyaha. Yes. There's one rule. This when tva pratyaya, which is the dhatu is set, therefore kut plus itva. Set tva pratyaya says tva pratyaya set tva pratyaya, it will not be deemed to be kit. It will lose its kitvam. When kitvam goes away, then
Angakarya will happen.
angakarya will happen. To prevent angakarya to happen, this is not a nit or nit. Therefore, it will be nit, therefore angakarya will not happen. Anyway, you get kutitva. You understand? For that, this we have to know. We don't know this. That's why I said we will see later all those things. Kut plus tva, as you said, yes, tva pratyaya, anyway, angakaryam, no. The dhatu said tva pratyaya when it follows, that kitvam is dismissed. Kitvam to the of the pratyaya is dismissed. It means as though kit is not there. Therefore, ku can become ko. Then therefore it becomes kotitva. But kotitva is not ishtarupam. It is kutitva. Therefore, this sutra will apply because when pratyaya other than nit or nit follows, it will be nitvat. Therefore, it is kutitva only. I think last class I told that we have some tough thing and difficult things will come up, right? Not difficult. Understand this. Understand it's not difficult. Anyway, this thing we will see later. And just because you asked, that's why I said. We're just saying Atidesha. That's it. Number one is Gang Kutadibhyaha Pare Angitaha Pratyaha Ngitaha Bhavanti. Number one. Remember this. Gang Dhatuhu Kutra Vartate Bhuvadigane. Maybe I have that I will write. Gang Dhatuhu is Bhuvadigana. Bhuvadigana Dhatuhu Gang and Kutadayaha Tudadigana Tudadi Antarganaha Antargana Dhatavaha. Okay, just remember this. This much is enough. Only we are seeing Atidesha, not seeing anything else. Okay. Number two. All these are Atidesha. Number two. Tva is like Nishta Pratyaya, it is little difficult. Tumun Trich and all easy. Tva is difficult. Like we did for Tumun, the 200 dhatu something, we will do for Tva also. For that, you have to remember this and apply to get the form. Okay. Now, which dhatuhu, vijiti dhatuhu tudadigane vartate bhavatu. So, tudadigana, which dhatu, the set pratyaya pare. That set pratyaya will be the set pratyaya pare that will be deemed to be nyit. Again, I repeat. Bija iti sutram asti dhatu which dhatu which dhatu when followed by the pratyaya set pratyaya. Set pratyaya means adhatuka valadi adhatuka pratyaya pare. Right? Then only the pratyaya will get itagama. Then for the dhatu which only. That set pratyaya will be deemed to be nyit. Will be deemed to be nyit. So, therefore, nyit means angakarya will not happen. Understand? Udaharanam pashyatu. Now, which dhatu? Which plus tuman? Kim rupam? Which plus tum? Tumananta. We'll be seeing in fact later. Kaha pratyah asti? Valadi adhatuka pratyah asti va? and dhatu set. Therefore, which plus when followed by set pratyaya. This is set. Set itama kada bhavati. Valadi adhatuka pratyaya pare. Ataha set. Set pare. Gnitvat bhavati. Gnitvat. Therefore, which we will become? We only. It will not become ve. Vijitum iti rupam. Why it doesn't happen? Because of this special atidesha. Understand? Same thing vij plus trich. Not vejitra. It is vijitra. Vij plus set. Tva prataya. Vij plus itva. Set, I told. Not tva set by that. When a set prataya, which is a tva prataya, is that itvam, the kitvam will go away. By that, we can become ve. But that is negated by this rule. Set prataya will be deemed to be ngita, therefore, angakaryam will not happen vichitva. Understand? So, same thing what I told for the previous one. Here only one dhatu. Which dhatu? Okay. All these things we will see in detail with examples later. Or you want to have the examples? Tudadi, which dhatuhu, which dhatuhu, paraha, set pratyasya, parasya set pratyasya. Set pratyasya, vidhatuhu paraha set pratyaha, right, set pratyaha, ngit vat bhavati. Example, which plus tuman. You can take this example, vijitum, right? Which plus tricha. So which plus tricha, which plus itra. Kitva tangakaryam na bhavati. Tena rupam vijitra. Tadvata. Which plus tva. This difficult to understand because you need to know not tva set. That is, set tva prataya pare. Kitvam na bhavati pratayasya. That we are going to see later. So, therefore I will write na tva set. This is a sutra, but you can understand this. Set prataya, that na tva means tva prataya, which is set, na, within bracket I write, kit is anuvati, kit na bhavati. Tva set tva prataya, kit na bhavati. Spashtameva, right? Kitva abhavat angakaryam bhavati, kintu set prataya pare which dhatuhu ngitvat bhavati iti karanat punaha ngitvat angakaryam na bhavati, right? Angakaryasya nishedaha vijitva eva. Same thing for the kut dhatu also, the previous one. Kut plus tuman. Shouldn't be kotitum. No, kotitum only. No angakarya. Similarly, kut plus trich. Kutitru. Which plus, kut plus tva. Kitvam nishedah bhavati na tva set, kintu etena ngitvam bhavati pratyasya atah kutitva eva. Understand? Then atidesha, all these are atidesha. Third one. These are all useful in many places, not only here. So it's good to see so that you can connect. Without sutra, I'm just doing. But this will be useful. You can connect with many things. Okay, then there's a dhatu, vyach dhatu. Vyach dhatoho. Vyach dhatoho. As binne pratyaye pare. Nitvat. As binnaha pratyaha. Vyach dhatoho paraha. As binnaha pratyaha nitvat bhavati. This is by a vartikam. Just I write the vartikam for my reference. Vyachehe kutaditva manasiti davyam. Okay, so just note this. We'll see in context. I can tell you now also Vyach dhatu. Vyach, not Vyaj. So Vyach dhatu becomes Vichati. In fact, it is Samprasarana dhatu. If you remember, Samprasarana dhatavaha. Purum drishtam Samprasarana dhatavaha keiti. अस्ति वा अत्र व्यच् धातुः? Is there or not?
Yes.
All this vyach dhatu is there. All are samprasarana dhatavaha. So when followed by nit pratyaya, nit or kit pratyaya, what will happen? When this follows, iti nit pratyaye pare. Niti kiti pratyaye pare samprasaranam bhavati. So vyach dhatu is here. So when followed by kit or kit pratyaya, samprasaranam, that we have seen this. Now here what we say is vyach dhatu, samprasaranam dhatu, as binna pratyaye pare, when followed by a pratyaya which is different from as. As binne pratyaye pare, that will be deemed to be nit. So, meaning?
Samprasaranam bhavati.
Okay, I thought of and okay. So vyach dhatu, it is kutaditvam means it will be treated to be kutadi gana. Kutadi gana, what dhatu, what will happen when followed by pratyaya other than nit or nit, it will be pratyaya will be nitvat. Therefore, this dhatu also will be like kutadi, except for the pratyaya as. Okay, as. But what is asprataya? Have you heard any asprataya?
Suvauj.
No, not suvauj.
Okay.
No, suvauj is subanta. How can you add to the dhatu?
Sorry.
Okay, anyway. Oh, vyach plus dhatu is vyach. Dhatu, vyach dhatu. What rupam we can do? Okay. What the sutra says, it will be vyach dhatu when kutadi, like kutadi gana, when followed by the pratyaya other than nit or nit, it will be nitvat bhavati, except for the pratyaya as, right?
Hmm.
Vich dhatoho asbinnaha pratyaya nitvat bhavati. So kutadit, therefore it will be like kutadit, kutaditvam. Kutaditvam anasi, not for the asdhatu, anasiti. So I'll write which dhatuhu kutadivat bhavati तथा परः अस्मिन्नः प्रत्ययः नित्वत् इत्युक्ते condition is important. अस्मिन्नः प्रत्ययः. Now Vyach plus tuman, the same I'll copy paste. I will not even so elaborately to advanced class students, not yet covered all these things. Vyach plus tum, what is the form, you tell me?
Ishtum.
Which
Huh?
it
Will
should
be
Yes.
Ishtum.
Huh?
Ishtum.
No. Tuman pratyaya pare. Tuman pratyaya, is it a ngit pratyaya? No. Samprasarana dhatu when followed by ngit pratyaya pare samprasaranam bhavati. Kintu kutaditvat. Kutaditvat ngit nit pratyaya binne pratyaya pare, that will be deemed to be ngit. Therefore samprasaranam will happen. Samprasaranam krutva, it will become which. Then which plus tum, vichitum. You see how complicated, I don't know, you decide. Which dhatuhu, it is samprasaran dhatuhu. Okay, maybe for your understanding, right? Yach samprasana which dhatoho, samprasarana which dhatuhu, which dhatoho samprasaranam bhavati. Kada bhavati? Which dhatoho
nit pratyaya.
nit pratyaye pare. That's what before I have given. Niti nit pratyaye pare. Okay. Nit. This is general. Okay, I'll write here. Nit pratyaye vechdatoho samprasaranam bhavati nit pratyaye pare. Tuman pratyayah nato nit, nato git. Right? Ataha samprasaranam bhavati va?
न भवति
Bhavati va? Na bhavati. Kintu. Now we have to say kintu. Kintu kutadivat uktatvat. Right? Kutadivat iti uktatvat. By what? Vartikena, right? Uktatvad vartikena ataha kim bhavati? That is nit binne pratyaye pare nitvat bhavati, punaha nitvat bhavati. Tena samprasaranam
भवति
bhavati eva. Understand? This is Sanskritam you can understand very easy, like our mother tongue, Kannada. So therefore, which plus tumun vichitum. I don't have to explain here. Steps you can follow, right? Similarly, which plus trich
Vichitra.
becomes vichitra. Similarly, which plus twa pratyaya pare. That we have to note. This is set, not twa set. Iti kitvam नास्ति कित्वं नास्ति तर्हि सम्प्रसारणं कथं भवति पुनः कुटादित्वात् ङित्वं भवति ङित्वात् सम्प्रसारणं भवति एव ङित्वात् सम्प्रसारणं भवति अङ्गकार्यस्य what
निषेधः
निषेधः भवति अङ्गकार्यं how it will happen then अङ्गकार्यं cannot happen right both are negated therefore the form would be vichitva iti rupam chitvam which is negated by this sutra then it is punaha ordained by kutadi tvam iti karanat nitvam nitvat asamprasaranam angakaryam how is it possible first of all not possible because angakaryam happens only when the pratyaya is ngit or ngit kit that property therefore angakaryam is never possible not samprasaranam also we don't do angakaryam then problem we cannot keep with the same nimitta we cannot keep doing samprasaranam angakaryam everything not possible there is no such order in the world itself one thing can be nimitta for something that same thing cannot be nimitta for the successful things right for something to happen something else has to be nimitta so one nimitta one karanam is there it is a karanam for some karya that becomes a karanam for something else and that becomes a karanam for something else so therefore the sequence of karana karya Srishti also like that right tasmad etasmad atmanah sambhutah akasha sambhutah so akashat vayor agnihi taitriya so akasha becomes the karanam for vayu then vayu becomes the mother parent for vayo agni so like that right so one becomes the cause for therefore there's a series of consecutive series of karya karana so from akasha directly agni no first is vayu and then agni right the sequence so it has become the cause for something else and that from your grandparent great grandparent okay from that grandparent then from you not directly from the great grandparent you have come right same logic how can one thing be the cause for the successive things it cannot be like that then that's a niyati in the order in the world right therefore you do samprasanam the same nimitta you do some angakarya also it's ridiculous not possible understand the same logic is in the grammar also you follow what I'm saying
Yes.
so therefore there is no question of angakarya in fact samprasaranam happens ngit kit prataye pare simple okay this section is a little as I told you difficult slowly we will learn this section and you have to remember these points all over it is useful fourth one there are about some 12 points are there so we will see one by one maybe this is the last point today there is a dhatu urno dhatu okay so here also set adadhatuka pratyaya pare that urna dhatu that urna dhatoho set adadhatuka pratyaya pare that set adadhatuka pratyaya vikalpena ngitvat bhavati so urno dhatoho paraha set arda dhatuka pratyaya vikalpena ityukte we have option to paksha to paksha ngitva paksha angitva paksha vikalpena ngitvam bhavati pratyah vikalpena ngit bhavati only for urnu dhatu vibhashor noho sutram is there that is vibhasha is optional vibhashor noho it is sutram understand so now urnu dhatu plus set dhatu set pratyaya urnu okay anekash dhatu this is Second conjugation, anekach dhatu. Therefore, urnu plus tuman. Tumanantam also we are saying. Therefore, what is the form? Tell me. Then we have to say, nitvam is optional. Therefore, we have to say, nitva pakshe, one rupam, anitva pakshe, another rupam. Okay. Suppose if it is nit, urnu. Set means ardhatuke prataye pare. So, tumun is there. Therefore, itum. Nitva pakshe, ante kimasti, u. Will it become o?
No.
No. Therefore, dhatu is ukaranta dhatu followed by a pratyaya beginning with ach. You tell me what will happen. I will not tell. You know it.
Uv.
Exactly. Acha ajadi pratyaya pare uvadeshaha. Don't do yansandi. U will be replaced by uv. We have seen like shaknoti. Remember? Same thing. Therefore, urnu vitum iti one rupam. Right? Urnu vitum. Yes or no? Itva pakshe. Anyitva. Not anyit. Na anyita. Anyitva pakshe. Urnu plus itum. Not anyit anymore. Urnu will become. Huh?
Urna Vitum.
Yes. Urnu will become urno. Then ayadi sandhi becomes urnav. Ayadi sandhi plus itum becomes, yes, urnavitum. That's correct. So we have rupadvayam. Urnavitum atava urnavitum. Urnunjadatu achadane. Second conjugation. You want, I will write that. Adadi urnadatoho. Meaning is achadane ate. Achadane. That is the meaning of dhatu. Understand? So two forms. What will be tuman twa pratyaya now? Twa pratyaya rupam. Okay, that is your homework. Try. Tell me next class. Okay. Twa pratyaya is not difficult. It is twa pratyaya when you add. Or what will be the form?
Urnuvitva or Urnavitva.
Oh, really? Natva set is itam is negated. And dhatu kitvam will be negated.
So it is like tumun only.
So urnu plus twa. I give as homework I do. Okay. Urnu plus itva. State dhatu, right? So the state dhatu twa pratyaya will not be there. Therefore, here there is no vikalpa.
Oh.
So what it is said? Vikalpena ngit bhavati. Vikalpena ngit. So optionally it is ngit. Na tva said kitvam not there. Therefore that u will become okay. Urno. Then urno plus itva. Urnav. Then urnavitva. It will become urnavitva iti rupam. Right? Am I right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Urnavitva iti rupam. I think that is a rupam.
Book
Nothing
says
happens.
Urunutva.
Sorry?
This Udantarupa Nandini says it
This
is
Urnu
Urnuvitva.
Dhatu, yeah, Urnu Dhatu, it is the special rule is there, I think. The Nishta Pratyaya, it is given. The Ukaranta, that Urnu Dhatu, for that one rule is there. Okay. I'll check that. I mean, yeah. Urnavitva. Urnavitva is correct only. What I did, Urnavitva.
Guruji, they have not given idagama for
In
tva.
fact, Urnavitva is one rupam. Yeah, it's correct only. Yeah, what I did, it's okay. Urnavitva is one form. Then this is what paksha? It is Angitva paksha. This is generally Angitva paksha later I will write. Because Natva said by that Kitvam is negated, but it will be Ngita. It will not be Ngita. That is, Ngitvam is optional. Therefore, Angakarya happens. Similarly here, the Ngitva paksha. Urno plus Tva. Natva said iti, by that Kitvam is gone, but Ngitvam is there. Ngitva, therefore, Angakarya cannot happen. Urno cannot become Urno. So, Urno plus Itva, then we have Urno, that who will be replaced by Urno plus will be replaced by that Urnu, Urnuv, that Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Uvadeshaha. Therefore, the form would be Urnuvitva. Urnuvitva atava Urnuvitva. Rupadvayam. This must be there in Kadanta Rupa Manjari. If not there,
No, it says Urnutva.
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 Urnutva. Then I have to check. Anything happens. Okay, just 1 minute. I'll show you that the Nishta Pratyaya, if there any special rule dismisses, then it is gone. Otherwise, it is be there. Nishta rules. Any special, because Nishta, that Tva Pratyaya form, something is there.
Yes,
Say
Guruji.
Vidrash.
Nishtata also, it is Urnuta only.
So that Nishta, that Urnu, especially one thing was there. Let me check. Urnu, Ukaranta Dhatu, it is okay. Let me check what other form comes. Urnutta. But as of now, you can take this Rupam, it's okay. That is what I think. If I am wrong, then I will correct it. Yeah, this is Urnu. Ukaranta Dhatu. Ukaranta Dhatus. Vibhasha is there. Okay. Okay, let me check and tell you. Okay. So these two forms. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
I'll send this document. Remember the 3 points.
Yes, Guruji.